Hello all, this is Priya Mahesh with you for Twilight Time. Okay, so this is our logo, which is a pink lotus. Okay, so if you see anywhere pink lotus, okay, this is coupled with the divine consciousness of the children. You should remember Twilight Time and me. So you all know I am Mrs. Priya Mahesh with you. I have seen all the students at different platforms, right from India, Oman, and here in UAE. In Abu Dhabi, we had quite a lot of programs. We have met in so many community programs, and especially in Oman, we have met in so many children's camps. So what's up? What is Twilight Time in very short? How are you, Kutis? How are you all going to spend this pandemic vacation? Just chit-chatting with your friends? That is, friends, I did mean your digital friends, Chota Beam and WhatsApp. I'm very old. No, I'm speaking about the old cartoons. So many things are up the ladder for you all. So let us turn it upside down. Okay. So let us please spend our quality time in very fruitful and productive ways. What we are going to do now? Okay, what we are going to do, I have one good news for you. Okay, so Twilight Time is my page. I am from Tamil Nadu. I am born and brought up in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, from Mother India. So this also carries another name. You all won't forget your parents, the place you were born, right? Your friends. So this Tamil name carries Nila Chore, signifying it's a moonlight dinner in your words. So to club it all together in a simple English term, Twilight Time. Twilight means twinkling, right? So you kids are bright stars in the night skies, right? So to turn more brighter this pandemic, I have got one beautiful contest for you. Okay, how many of you love stories? I love stories to the core, if told in the right sincere spirit and truth is told. So to cut out the digitized time, please take a look at my page Twilight Time or Nila Chore, and please wade through all the activities there. And what is the contest for you all? Okay, it is story time. So first I will open the contest in the English language, which is common for the educational purposes. So you all are going to shoot to me a video not lesser than 5 minutes, okay, telling a story. And you have to send me a short description of the video and your video to mothersevents@gmail.com. mothersevents@gmail.com. I will add my email ID in my page as well and under the video as well. One and only, you should not WhatsApp me. You should send me the videos to my email. Okay, and then first age group is going to be, stories cannot be told to so small chotus, right? So I'm opening my age group from 5 to 8 years. The first category is 5 to 8 years. The story should carry a moral. Okay, so to open the possibility and to open what is a storytelling and what is all those things, Aunt is already posted one. You can call me Priya. Okay, I'm from Priya from Twilight Time. So sweet with you all, right? So first story is team. Together everyone achieves more. So that story carries images as well, and I'm going to post my voice inside the images and give it to you how to tell a story. But you have to shoot your story not lesser than 5 minutes, you own appearing as I speak with you all, cuties. You all got it? Okay, so any number of participants can participate from a family, from friend circle, but only one story is allowed per child, only in English language. Please speak soft, calm, okay, so that people can listen to you, cheerful, full of joy, okay, and your story should carry a good moral, a good message. So please stay tuned for my storytelling session. After that, I will give you a period of 3 weeks for you all to participate in the contest. the contest is not yet started. This is just an introductory video. So first, what is the topic? Auntie is going to tell all the story to you. Priya is going to tell you. Together everyone achieves more. Okay, cuties? So don't please spend your whole time of this stay home, stay safe period only in the devices. Do spend with family. I've posted a video on Modi ji's Pariksha Pe Sarcha. Okay, in that what he has told, please spend quality time away from the devices. So I belong to the party of humanity, okay, with children's aspirations clubbed in. That is my all-time aspiration. I don't belong to any particular thing, but I appreciate all good things. So please, taking cue of that, kindly go sit in one place, play, chat, sing, dance, eat, live together with your family and friends. Please follow the social distancing. Do not get your brain. Principal of our children's school will tell that when you go on seeing the devices, your eyes are stick into that particular video and how it's going. No running. You all play the games, right? You go tuck, right? Or you all engineers, no, right? Huh? You're all future engineers, doctors and entrepreneurs and politicians and n number of profession. So now it's time for you to spend good quality time, not only with the devices. So you keep on looking at one thing, your brain is losing its power to think. Your thinking capacity is reduced. So this storytelling is going to go you for a fine tuning your thinking capacity. Sit with your grandparents if you're blessed to be with them, hats off. Otherwise, catch them online. Sit in Zoom, sit in Namo app or whatever available, and please sit with the elders, your parents, your uncle, your older friends, your teachers. Try to grab good, nice stories from them. Okay, in your own words, how much you have understood. Please frame a video for Priya for not less than 5 minutes, addressing your storytellings to mothersevents@gmail.com. Okay. When the contest will begin, I will post to you. In upcoming week, you will have a video on how to participate in the contest. What are the rules? Already I told the rules. It's less than, so you can start collecting your stories. You can build your own stories in your own languages, but it should carry a theme. It should carry a value like honesty, sincerity, punctuality, teamwork, friendship, family, whatnot. Okay, so prevention is better than cure. So many topics. English is a beautiful language, right? So, but it should not be something in the literature base. You can take some examples, but you should have set a value inside the story, and the age group will be from 5 to 8 years in the first category. Second and third category, in the opening video of the contest, I will be posting. So first I am going to post you all a story on team. Okay, together everyone achieves more. Stay tuned for that. Please don't miss the contest, and you all are going to get first 3 prizes for every category. Of course, it is an online prize. It is from Twilight Time. Okay, please do like, share and subscribe to my page. Thank you so much.